Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Discovery Bay and we're giving you a tour of the Azour luxury development. Now Discovery Bay is on the north coast and this is the hottest area for development in Jamaica. So this development is going to be 43 luxury condominium units comprising of 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom residences. And as you can see, it's right on the coast. So we're going to give you more information on this development. The Azour is a luxury oceanfront condominium development being built in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. The project is designed to offer high-end vacation residences and investment properties in one of Jamaica's fastest-growing tourism and residential corridors. It is located at 3 Dairy Road, just off the North Coast Highway and close to the waterfront and Puerto Seco Beach. The development is expected to include 43 luxury condominium units spread across 5 floors, with a mix of 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom residences. The upper levels are designed to maximize panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. Earlier project announcements described a 6-story concept, but the current plans being marketed feature 5 floors and 43 units. Residents and guests are expected to enjoy a range of resort-style amenities, including an infinity swimming pool overlooking the sea, a fitness center, a clubhouse, a cafe, a rooftop terrace with lounge and entertainment spaces, concierge services, and professional vacation rental and property management services. The Azores is aimed at several markets, including overseas Jamaicans, retirees, vacation home buyers, and investors interested in Jamaica's growing short-term rental market. Discovery Bay has become increasingly attractive because of its peaceful setting, improving infrastructure, proximity to attractions such as Green Grotto Caves and Puerto Seco Beach, and is conveniently located between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay. The project forms part of a broader wave of investments transforming Discovery Bay. New residential communities, tourism developments, and commercial projects are helping to establish the town as an emerging luxury destination on Jamaica's north coast. Developments such as the Azour are expected to create construction jobs, attract foreign investment, increase visitor accommodation, and contribute to the local economy. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.